Hey guys, I've got an antenna question for you. Maybe you guys could give me some help. Hey man, look at that signal. Ah, and it stopped. It was 5 dB over 9, and it's early in the afternoon on the 40-meter band. When I first moved here 4 years ago, at all times I had a noise level between S0 and S1. So hang on, man. I'm going to pause you and show you something on my computer. And this is where the antenna question comes in. Hang on. Okay, now this is a smartphone. That's the best I can do with lighting. But what I notice is in the afternoon, when the POTA activators are really active, man, I can hear very few of them on both 40 meters and 20 meters. And with any of my antennas, doesn't matter if I'm using my end-fed half wave, which I can use on 80, 40, and 20, obviously, or my vertical. And on 40 meters, the only options I have are the end-fed and a dipole, a low inverted V. And I can hear and I can work nobody anywhere from the eastern seaboard on out to beyond Missouri. It's a dead zone for me. And my friend Fred in Delaware, I've worked him while activating POTA and seen him S9, and that's in a mobile with a ham stick. He was S9. He was pounding in here that day, but it was toward evening, probably. How does one work in the afternoon? How does one work a station 500 miles away? Or 100 miles away for that matter. What say you guys? Thoughts? Comments? Please do. I'm relying on your guys' experience, man. I've got a lot of experience prattling off CW, but that's about it. Honestly, until I moved here, I've never had the opportunity to have many antennas, so screwing around with antennas is new to me. So what say you guys? Comments? Have a wonderful day. 73.